guys, today I have my buddy in focus. Actually, it's his second time in my chair as a guest and client on YouTube. Welcome back, bro. Today my buddy wants a high fade haircut. Let's see how we can do it. Now I move in with my clipper around the edge of the C-cup area. The lever is all the way closed, setting in my first initial borderline. At the same time, I'm clearing up everything underneath as I proceed with the process. My next move is with the number 1 guide. The lever is all the way closed. Using the motion of the blade, I establish a full inch guideline. Make sure that this guideline is on top of the previous borderline we just created. Now with no guide, the lever is all the way open. Using the motion of the blade, create a half-inch guideline. To get the best result for this technique, center everything in a guideline. Now continue pushing the lever halfway and fully closed to create the transition. With a 1.5 guide, the lever is all the way up. Make a full inch guideline. Guys, ensure that this guideline is parallel all the way to the other side. Now I go back in with my clipper using the number 1 guide. The lever is all the way up. I establish a half-inch guideline. Now with lever halfway closed, I continue to build into my process just beneath the guide above. The next step is detailing. That's where the detail comes into play. Use the corners of the blade, not the full blade. I only apply the full blade when necessary. I usually continue the detail process using the clipper and comb technique. Here I come in with the 1 guard for a refining moment. See, in the detailed process, I will be cleaning up the bottom half, switching between halfway and fully closed. Guys, I sincerely apologize for the backlight, but I promise to get it right next time. Finally, I come in with the electric shaver to make everything pop. As you can see, the fade is finally together. You might be wondering what happened to the lineup section. Please forgive me as I forgot to hit the recording button on my camera at the time.